Hey guys, this is Fundom on Nonchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Zagiti tell the family about the Tulele decision to please guilty and his wishes to speak to Mzwandile. And Zetulele, it seems like, is feel guilty about his actions on Mzwandile. Phakade pursues Mzwandile to hear what he has to say, and Phakade is willing to take care Mzwandile while they are talking tensions soar between Mandlovu and Kanyo about the family ethics. It seems like Mandlovu complain about Kanyo attitude. He tell Kanyo must leave the war between Mzwandile and her family. But it seems like Kanyo support Mzwandile. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.